What's up people, Varun here. So today we have with us Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5. The exact model number is 14i TL05. So this is a 2-in-1 device powered by Intel i5 11th gen processor, 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD. So without any further delay, let's crack the box open, check the laptop out, and then let's review it together. Let me pull the laptop out. Okay, this is the laptop. And I think this is your barrel charger. Pretty light. And this is the stylus with the battery. Yeah. That's it. We also have some paperwork, normal paperwork. Just remove the white thingies. And let me remove the laptop out of this plastic sleeve. This is gray color. You can see. So Iris Xe graphics, Core i5 11th gen. There's a fingerprint sensor as well. Awesome. So yeah, that was your unboxing for Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5. So in the box you get the laptop, paperwork, the stylus and the charger. Now let's jump to the review. Alright, so today we are going to talk about the latest 2-in-1 laptop from the stables of Lenovo. This here is Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i. It is powered by Intel's latest Core i5 11th gen 1135G7 processor with Iris Xe graphics, 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of NVMe M.2 SSD. I bought this 2-in-1 for $880 which comes to about INR 65k, and this may well be the 2-in-1 to beat in 2021. Alright, enough chit chat, let's jump straight to the review. First, let's talk about its display. Flex 5i is equipped with a 14-inch Full HD IPS touch panel. Overall, the display is really good. For your usual content consumption, home office work, this display will work really well. Also, the colors don't look washed out when you move the screen. However, the only downside is that it's super glossy, as all touchscreen laptops are. So if you're working in outdoor conditions, then it might be a little issue. Also, the display covers only 65% of the sRGB color gamut. So the display is not apt for any color intensive work either. I do wish the display was a tad bit brighter so that we can pump up the brightness to negate its glossiness. Its nits count is 250. The bezels around the display are also narrow and it gives Flex 5i a very pleasing look as the display and the bezels blends into one solid piece of glass. Its screen to body ratio is 85%. Overall, the display is functional and the majority of you will not have any issues with it. Now, let's focus on the touchscreen aspect of the display. The touchscreen on Flex 5i is super responsive. It supports 2-finger scroll and pinch to zoom. I found no stutter or lag while using the touchscreen. The included Lenovo digital pen powered by a single AAA battery features 2 programmable buttons and works pretty well as far as styluses go. The gliding was smooth with almost no input lag. I wish Lenovo has provided magnets on the side of the laptop to stick the pen, as it's very easy to lose this. Next up, build quality and design, and here Lenovo Flex 5i shines. The laptop build is really solid and the entire aluminum construction feels strong. The design of Flex 5i oozes premiumness every time you look at it. You won't believe that you're looking at a sub 65k laptop. Since it's a 2-in-1, you can choose to operate it in tablet mode or in a tent mode or in reverse mode, And the one thing which makes everything happen are the 360-degree hinges. I'm happy to report that hinges on Flex 5i are really strong too. I abused this laptop during my testing and never once it made a weird sound or creaked on me. Flex 5i weighs 1.65 kgs, which makes it ultra portable and easy enough to slip into any backpack. Fitting a 14-inch screen into this size makes it a useful productivity machine for students and professionals. The lid of the Flex 5i is clean with Lenovo logo slapped on the side. I very much like the minimalist design it offers. The graphite grey color also looks really good on this. Kinda gives this machine a very stealthy look. The top bezel houses a 720p webcam with Lenovo's privacy shutter camera button. Slide it open when you're ready to be on the camera and push it back into place when you're done. Super nifty if you're worried about your privacy. The back is clean and it's comprised of 3 rubber feet which help keep the laptop tethered to the desk. The heat vents are located on the back of the chassis behind the keyboard. Overall, I'm more than happy with the build and design quality it offers at this price point. Now let's talk about its performance. Flex 5i is powered by Intel 11th Gen i5 processor with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of SSD. With such specs, this laptop is a performance powerhouse. I never once felt any kind of stutter or lag when I used this laptop as my daily driver for 15 days. The i5 11th Gen plus Xe is a deadly combo and it will help you eke out excellent performance out of this laptop. You can even do video editing on this 2-in-1 Ultrabook with very minimal lag. The high performance SSD also helps in fast read and write times. I noticed no thermal throttling. It does get hot but not so much that it will start burning your palms. With regards to gaming, thanks to integrated Xe graphics, you can experience good gaming performance at medium to high settings. You can even play your AAA titles on low to medium settings. I tried Fortnite and I was getting around 60 frames at medium settings. Now comes the battery life, and Flex 5i is literally on another level when it comes to battery life on a Windows laptop. I was easily getting a full day battery life on this machine. You can get around 8 to 9 hours of battery life on a single charge, which is just brilliant. Another plus is that it charges quickly too. Full charge will take anywhere between 1.5 to 2 hours, thanks to the 65-watt barrel charger included in the box. The icing on the cake, it charges via USB-C as well. Next up, the keyboard, and it offers a good typing experience. I always loved Lenovo keyboards and this is no different. The feel is great and the travel is shallow. Overall, a great keyboard to type long emails or long lines of code. Below the keyboard, you can find the trackpad and it's also decent. It's not made of glass, so the gliding is not as smooth, but it gets the job done. It supports Windows 10 gestures as well. If you glance to the right of the trackpad, you will notice a fingerprint sensor, and it's one of the best I've tried on a Windows machine. It unlocks your laptop every time without fail. No issues here whatsoever. Now let's focus on the I/O situation. On the left, we have the charge port, HDMI port, USB-C Gen 1 with power delivery, and an audio jack. On the right, we have two USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, SD card reader, and the power button. All in all, I'm happy with the port selection on offer here. In terms of upgradability, unfortunately you cannot upgrade the RAM as it's soldered onto the motherboard, but you have the option to upgrade the SSD to a bigger and better one if you want. Lastly, speakers. One good thing about the speakers are that they are top firing. The sound quality is average at best. Alright, time for final thoughts. If you're looking to buy a 2-in-1 convertible laptop in 2021, then Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i should be the one that you have to consider. With its premium design, excellent performance and solid battery life, this laptop is perfect for both students and professionals. Students will enjoy its sleek design and thin profile, and professional and work from home crowd will enjoy its performance prowess thanks to the amazing Intel 11th Gen CPU and Xe graphics with 16GB of RAM. The only wishlist item I have is a little bit better display, but other than that, this laptop excels in everything else. You should definitely consider this once this is available in the Indian market. I will update the buying links in the description below as soon as it makes its way to the Indian shores. Alright guys, this is it for the review. Let's hang out in the comment section below and fire all your questions if you have any regarding the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i. And yes, please like and subscribe as it helps out the channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.